wag na lang ho, do not, baka sabihin pa ng mga, a lot of, there would be a story into it, and there could be also a lot of spin-offs about, ng iba, sabi niya, may isang, I think it's Professor Kasipli, of UP na, sabi niya, strategy lang yan. Sir, tama ka talaga. Huwag na lang kayong magmarali-rali. Let's try to find out if Professor Kasipli is right. I will have to talk to Professor Kasipli why he was able to fathom my mind. Or common sense lang yan. Basta yung mga style noon. But then, how did you come about really picking my brains and sabi, this guy is going to do this strategy. It ain't over until the fat lady sings the blues. It ain't over until it is over.